Where we at? Where we at? Middle of the forest. Chilling at the biggest tree here. Beautiful tree. Look at that thing, man. Look at that. I wish I could climb up there, but it's too big. Wow. I can just feel the energy, you know? It's alive. The forest is alive. I'm alive. What up? Yeah, man. I don't really know what else to talk about, but out here in nature. Nature's clearance, if you think about it. Clears your mind, emotional clearance, and gets you back in your heart. Back we need to be. Yeah, man, living good. Sitting out here, eating some food like always, drinking on some green juice, where I have, what do I have in there, man? I have like sage and celery and all these other greens and goji berries and apple cider vinegar. Man, pure alkaline drink, you know? Pure alkaline. But, yeah, anyways, you know, for people who, you know, their mind won't stop running if people have that type of thing going on, or, you know, you just want to relax and take it easy, come back to nature, no matter what time. You know, I'm sitting out here in the middle of the winter. March, to be specific. I think it's actually springtime today. Oh, no, that was yesterday. I mean, spring already. It's crazy, you know? The weeks are going by really, really fast, and time is just really accelerating back to that 0 point. And I'm sure you noticed that each month feels faster than the last, and it's really leading up to something good, you know? If you're a good person, but if you're not, no. As long as you come back to nature, and if you have meats in your body, all that junk and bacteria and hate in your heart, if you're one of those people, man, not coming for you. There's no need for that. Yeah, but I'm out here, 30 degrees, windy day. Been on here for about an hour and a half. What else? Clearance. Nature's clearance. I have nothing else to talk about. Thoughtless. That's why they call it vegetable. Remember how they'd be like, oh, that person's brain is a vegetable. They're thoughtless. Because the trees, nature is thoughtless. You just be like a tree, you know? Dude, I have nothing to talk about. Stay good. 13 love. Okay?